Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I'll be creating three beautiful cards using the Kaleidacolor ink pads and a brayer. I have used my Gelli Plate to get this beautiful blend, and I will use three combinations and some smooth cardstock. So what I'm doing is I'm adding many layers of this beautiful set of colors on my Gelli Plate, and then using my brayer to transfer the ink on the paper. So I had to do it thrice, and then I really got a beautiful smooth blend of the colors. So this is the first one, and I did it for the three ink pads I have, and all three look so beautiful and different. So now this is the second combination, which is so beautiful, and this one is called birthstone, and this is a combination of teal, blue and pink, so really stunning. The last one is also very pretty, and I absolutely love all three of them. So I had to go and add the color thrice so as to get that beautiful blend. Now I'm just cleaning my Gelli Plate, and I used a tissue to do that. So next is the Caribbean Sea Kaleidacolor set, and this is simply stunning. So it's a beautiful blend between a lime green, blue and teal. Very well planned, and just stunning. So now you can see that I have added it, and we are almost done with the beautiful base for our cards. These are the three I have, and now I'm adding some water splatters on these panels to add more interest, and that really adds a lot of texture to these plain beautiful card bases. I also decided to add some shimmer spray on these, and I've used the silver one. This also looks very nice, and I really like the effect when the ink moves and these lovely splatters are created. I used an Atlenew Stamp and some silver embossing powder by Imagine, which is absolutely stunning. I used my stamping tool to stamp it, and then just heat embossed it, and this silver is just gorgeous. The dimension I get with this embossing powder is so beautiful, and that I was able to capture in the still shots, which you'll be able to see in the end. And now I'll just melt the embossing powder, and all the three panels were ready. So these are the three panels, and they look so beautiful. I just finished the cards using some silver glitter paper and some tiny sentiments. So this is a super nice, quick and beautiful project for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to like this video and leave us some comments. If you want more inspiration, visit the Imagine blog and the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.